jongkari lai bat ar benta. Bala thau du da uping gali van kaya. Kalama kadon lairong karong sau bertem karong li bat karong jerngam. Hapdeng jongka kadon ka ashoka chakra kabadon arp south li kirat haka.
Karong sau bertem kayeng ne ka thau ya ka bor bat ya ka jingsuk. Karong li bat kayeng ne ka thau ya ka jingsuk bat ka hap. Karong jerngam pat kayeng ne ka thau ya ka jingroi jingman jingkiu jongkari. Ka chakra pat kayeng ya ka hok jongkaan.
Ya kalama ngila banwa ha kijaka pule baro. Ban shim sma ngidai ban pendap shwa ban penhari kalama.
Nimdi ban pen dan kambak la ya kalama. Ban ya pher ya kajat benriu.
Ginong shong shnong kijaka pule gila banwa ya kalama man la kasngi. Kaptam hakipor bakidon kajing ya lang kibakerpang.
Ya kalama himla ban penhap hamadan lani hapa
Ha ka section ka baar kapdiang ya kahak babaro ginong shong shnong gila banwa ni pendang ya kalama ha giyeng kijongki.
Nimla banwa ya kalama dakiwi pat kijat lama halor jong kalama jongkari.
Dungin ya buram ya kalama jongkari. Har ghar tiranga, har ghar tiranga, har ghar tiranga.
Take it out right now.
On the 22nd of July 1947, our national flag has been adopted and the proportion of the flag has been in 3:2 ratio and designed by Pingali Bandaya. The tricolor consists of saffron, white and green with the Ashoka Chakra of 24 wheels of spoke at its center.
Saffron signifies the strength and the courage of our country, India. White represents peace and the truth. Green indicates fertility, growth and the auspiciousness of our land. Its design is the wheel which appears on the abacus on the Sarnath lion of Ashoka. The chakra depicts the wheel of law. The national flag may be hoisted in educational institutions like schools, colleges, sports camps, scouts camp to inspire respect of our flag. An oath of allegiance has been included in the hoistings of flags in schools.
The flag cannot be used for communal games, retreat or floats. It should be flown from sunrise to sunset irrespective of the weather.
A member of public, a private organization or an educational institution may raise or display the flag at any days or occasions or ceremonial or otherwise consistent with the dignity and honor of our national flag.
The flag cannot be intentionally allowed to touch the ground or even reach the floor, even trail on the water.
Section 2 of the new code has accepted the right of every private citizen to hoist or raise or fly the flag at their own respective premises.
No other flag or bunting can be higher than our national flag.
Let us respect our national flag. We are proud of our country, India. Har Ghar Tiranga, Har Ghar Tiranga, Har Ghar Tiranga.